Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia anime espresso machine. Now for this machine we just give it a tune up as well as deep clean everything inside and making sure everything is the way it's supposed to be. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're going to test the machine out, then we're going to use some hot water and then some heat. As you can see, coffee comes out very nicely. It's in color. Looking great. Now we get some hot water. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the one. And as always, the water sensor works. Let me get some water. Be right back. Okay, now the machine has water. This is some steam. There you go, nice steady steam coming out of the one. Excellent temperature, excellent pressure. So there you have it, Gaggia Anima working once again and ready to brew. So thank you so much for preparing your Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.